Okay, we can do. I will tell you one script. Okay, I'll tell you one script. If okay, what is my thing is, let's write a client script. Okay, so the client script is if state equal to okay closed or cancelled. Okay, make the field read only. Maybe the field name is description field, something. Everyone understood the requirement? Okay. Now you do what is, okay. So you'll get it where, okay, st equal to g form. By the way, we remember it or we forgot it? Client scripts. We
Remember.
remember, right? So everyone are silent, so that's why I got it out. Right. What is the value of cancelled?
8.
Perfect. Okay. Maybe g form set read only we will say. Okay. Whatever it is, just blah 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 blah. Okay, let it write it. Right. Now, sir, why you took st here? Why you took this value? Okay, instead of this, can I directly write like this? If I write like this, will it not work, sir? If I write like this line, will it work? Will it not work? Developers, tell me. If I write this exact line, will it work? Will it not work?
It will work.
It will work. Then why I kept var and then I put that value inside and then used it? First of all, why I used that variable declaration? First of all, the definition of variable. This is our
To store the
this store the data. This would be our developer first class. What is variable? Now we are covering after almost like 7 8 classes. But why? To cover the okay. What someone said is to store the data somewhere, to store some value, something you told, correct? Good. No, it's actually storing the value, but okay, very carefully see. The actual purpose is right. Now you define this variable and then you store the value. Now I have to use st 100 times in the system. In the same script, I have to use this value 100 times. Okay. Now if you store the value in one way, one place, so you can use st 100 times. If not, you need to use this value every time. Correct? Wherever you need to use st, you need to put this line everywhere. Correct, Nama?
yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. First thing. Second thing is okay, why you use variables is to allocate the memory for the operation. In ServiceNow JavaScript, every variable is almost same. It don't be having any difference. But in C language, na, so int, okay, x, character, okay, a, float, b, void, okay, sk. So if we need to define the type of variable, integer x equal to okay, integer x. X will now take only the numerics. So 10, 20 something. Okay. This is character, right? Character will take only the strings. It should not take numbers. Okay. It's like, okay. So SKFacts, right? Float. Float means decimals, right? It will only take this one, 1.5, right? So now you have to specifically define the types in different languages, especially in C. First we started with C. When you say integer x na, system will allocate 2 bytes for x, 1 byte for character, I think 4 bytes for float, 8 bytes for void. Am I right? Ma? The numbers are, I think, correct, right? If I remember, if I go back to my degree class, okay, some 10, 20 years back, This is what I think remembered. Okay. Integer 2 characters, float, sorry, character 1, float for void 8. Memory allocation. System will allocate bytes for x now because you defined that x with type integer. Correct, Nama?
So 8 for integer, I think.
I'll just check it. My even I'm not. Let me check it. Maybe you're right. Where are these variables? So character one, float for mm, double is void 8. Which one you told me?
Single int is 2. Single int is mentioned as single.
Single character one.
Fifth one, fifth one, fifth
No,
one,
no,
fifth one.
single in two. So integer 2, character 1, okay, float 4, okay, void 8. This is what I think I also told. Did I tell the same thing or maybe I changed it? So 1, 2, 4, 8. Correct now? I also told the correct way, right? So now memory allocation now. So now, sir, why memory allocation is needed? It's like, okay, you are going to do some job. To do that job, you need some strength. So your mother will feed you. Okay, you are going to, okay, construct a house. So for that construction house, you need maybe 1,000 calories. So I will feed you 1,000 calories related food. Then you eat it and then go. That's how system will function to do any operation. Everything that system will do needs some memory to do. Correct, Nama? It's a processor, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
everything it is doing, it needs something. Okay, memory is getting allocated for every job that system does. Correct? Right? So it is taking, so this Google Chrome I'm running now, it is taking this much of CPU and this much of memory. So see here, it is running, the Google Chrome is occupying this much of memory. Let's say my system is the capacity of 1 GB, then will these many processes will run? Let's say your system is a Dabba system. It is 1 GB system, 1 GB RAM. Okay. So now, if you run these many processors, will the system can run?
Yes, sir.
No. Right? So memory is important. Memory running, memory utilization is important, correct? So similarly here, okay, here also memory is will be allocated to each variable x. If you say x means 2, okay. So system allocated 2. Whenever you use x, system will use 2 bytes to it. Okay. The first one is okay. You just use x and then across the system means across the script you use st so that you use the same variable everywhere. The scope of the variable works in this entire function or scope, something. Second thing is memory allocation, right? Keeping these 2 points in mind, right? When you write this initialize, now, when you say initialize, system will allocate a memory or a space for a new record. So what exactly this line will do is, okay, it will go and then open a record, means it is allocated something. Then put the values what you have passed here one by one. Okay, pass, take this one, pass it here, take this one, pass it here. Finally, do okay insert. So save it. Sorry, save it. Okay, sir. If I don't put initialize, then only it is inserting, na sir. That also happening, but it is happening without proper way. There are ways to do everything, proper, improper. Correct? Learning course by thefting the videos is also job only. But is that proper? No, it's not proper. Correct? So you can.